Here is a piece of exciting information for physiotherapists. You can now become a registered physiotherapist in Australia without taking any registration examination. Wondering how? Let me tell you. Hello everyone, I am Sunidhi Shahi, your host, and welcome back to MedCare by Academically. Today's video is for physiotherapists who want to practice in either the UK, the New Zealand or Australia without taking any examination. We will tell you about a pathway that very few people know about that can help you work in any of these countries. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. Step 1 starts in the UK. You will need to get registered with the HCPC, that's the Health and Care Professions Council. Once you are HCPC registered physiotherapist, you are already recognized as a qualified and competent professional in the UK. HCPC registration means your qualifications and practice meet the UK healthcare standards. This is your golden ticket to step 2. Now here is where things get more exciting. Thanks to the mutual recognition agreement between the UK and New Zealand, you can transfer your UK physiotherapy license and register with the Physiotherapy Board of New Zealand without any exam. Once approved, you can move to New Zealand and start working as a physiotherapist. This gives you not just international experience but also sets the stage for your move to Australia. To be eligible for physiotherapy practice in Australia, you will need to work as a registered physiotherapist in the New Zealand for around 12 months. During this time, you are gaining valuable experience in a healthcare system that closely aligns with Australia's. Thanks to the Trans-Tasman Mutual Recognition Agreement (TTMRA) between New Zealand and Australia, your registration in New Zealand makes you eligible to apply for registration in Australia without any additional assessments or exams. All you need to do is submit your application to the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, citing your New Zealand license. AHPRA will recognize your New Zealand registration, and soon enough you will be a fully registered physiotherapist in Australia. Let's recap this incredible no exam journey. So step 1, HCPC registration in the UK. Step 2, transfer your license to New Zealand. Step 3, work for around 1 year in New Zealand. And step 4, move to Australia through the Trans-Tasmanian pathway. If you are a physiotherapist looking to build your career in Australia without any exam stress, this is your best shot. And remember guys, the experts at Academically are always ready to assist you in every possible way. All you got to do is book a free consultation session with the experts at Academically, and we will provide you a full 1-hour free session to make your physiotherapy success in your dream career. Like this roadmap, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more professional guidance, and comment below if you have any queries, doubts or questions. I will be back with another video. Thank you for watching. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.